Shifting focus now on the latest updates coming in from Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We are now learning that a Pakistani army unit was ambushed in Tira. Several casualties have been expected following the massive attacks. The attacks were carried out by the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan. Alright, so on your screens you can see the visuals of the attack that has taken place on Pakistani forces in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Tira. Several casualties have been expected following these attacks, and these were again carried out by Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan, which Pakistan considers obviously as a terror group, and this terror group has in fact targeted Pakistani forces many times in the past year. It draws its ideological branch from the Taliban in Afghanistan and believes in the fact that an Islamic rule should be imposed in Pakistan. So as you can see, these terrorists are targeting Pakistani personnel in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. My colleague Ajay Jandyal joins us for more on this. We're learning now that the Pakistani army has once again been targeted by the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan.
Yes, you rightly said. If you see that this is more than a dozen attack has taken place in last 3 days in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the Balochistan area, that clearly indicates that how Pakistan army have miserably failed on all the front, whether it is taking care of the people or it is taking care of their security forces as well. According to information in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's North Waziristan, one Pakistani army's cavalcade and convoy was going on, and when it has reached in a forest area, TTP and the rebels they opened fire, in dismayed fire on the Pakistani forces. Even they used a rocket launcher as well, and according to information, about 5 to 6 security force personnel have been killed and many other they are injured. And it was a heavy gunfight between the Pakistan army and the rebels over there, and that indicates that how they are holding their position over there in that area, that portion of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. As far as the Pakistan army is concerned, Pakistan army is claiming that they are doing military operations against these Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the Balochistan against these rebels, but nothing we can say that nothing they were able to done as far as the TTP and the Balochistan's BLA is concerned, whereas BLA and the TTP, they are continuously targeting defense forces of Pakistan, and they are losing their people in this attack.
All right, Ajay, thank you so much for sharing all those details with us. Massive searches have been launched in the Gajansu area near India-Pakistan international border in Jammu. Searches have been launched amid ongoing infiltration threats. Sources to NewsX have stated that about 25 to 30 terrorists are believed to be waiting across the border with Pakistan Rangers. Meanwhile, my colleague Ajay Jandyal has filed a ground report from Gajansu. Let's cut across.
Massive anti-terror hunt has been launched by the security forces here in the Gajansu area, where there are apprehension that Pakistan could try to push in the terrorists, and this is the forest area near the international border, and that's why there is a threat that these kind of forests can be used by Pakistan, because as we already have broke this story that Pakistan could try to disturb peace, try to disturb the peace over here. And you can see that how Jammu Kashmir Police Jawans, they are searching these forest areas because there are apprehension that there are a number of terror groups, those who are sitting across the international border area, and their motive is to basically push in the terrorists over here. And these terrorists have been told to carry out major attacks in several areas of Jammu and Kashmir, and this is to basically disturb peace over here. Defense installation as well as the civil population can be targeted by these terrorists, and and that's why these kind of searches have been launched to ensure that if there is any threat, that threat has to be foiled. And these brave soldiers of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, they are doing searches in adjoining area of the forests of the borders, because these borders are definitely a major challenge, because during the winter season and during the foggy weather, there are apprehension that terrorists, those who are sitting, they could try to infiltrate to this side, and that's why these brave soldiers of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, they are moving from one location to another to ensure that every threat has to be foiled, because these are the location, these are the vulnerable areas which can be targeted and which can be used to carry out attacks and to push in the terrorists over here. These areas are not only here in the Gajansu, but there are a number of locations where these kind of operations are going on, and this is to ensure the safety of the civilians and the motherland here on the international border in Jammu and Kashmir. And multiple operations are going on simultaneously by the security forces to ensure and thwart Pakistan's nefarious plan. With Banti Rajesh India, News X, Jammu.